Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Superhero.
Yes, this is the bigger model of the Jbl Partybox 200 and 300, which is the new Jbl Partybox 1000. But JBL calls this the ultimate party machine. I really don't know why JBL delayed the release of Partybox 1000 to July of this year, even though it was announced in January of this year. You can purchase this on the JBL's website if you are living in US or in Europe. Important things you have to keep in mind before buying it is that it does not have a built-in battery. You have to use an external connection in order to start it up. They say it's because the speaker needs more power and the batteries can't play the speaker for long. So basically it's not portable. And the weight, it's freaking 35 kilos. Walking with the JBL boombox, which is 6 kgs, 6 kilos for long, I find it so difficult. But I'm not saying you will have to carry this everywhere, but you might find it difficult. And also you can't throw this into water or any dessert. That's sad for people like me and Pasha S. Now let's get into the specs. The overall design is really great. The full panel of LED lighting looks fantastic. Comment down what you guys think about the design. I think JBL should have put this full LED panel in the Partybox 200 and 300 also. Cool thing is that now you have a different launch pad on the top of the speaker. It's fun. You don't need music really. I really like that feature even though I don't know how to use them. And with the speaker you'll be getting one air gesture wristband with the speaker. I mean, you're spending $1,000 on the speaker and they say it's big and only one wristband comes with it. That's a shame, JBL. Lol. Why didn't they just put in 3 or 4? Now talking about the power on this bad boy, which is 1.1 kilowatts of power. Wow, that's really good. So basically this speaker is made for people who wants to throw a legit house party or outdoor parties. Now talking about the driver, it comes with a 12-inch downfiring subwoofer. I really can't wait to listen to the bass it produced. It also has a mic and guitar inputs and USB playbacks, and of course it supports Bluetooth just like the other Partybox models. Now talking about the connectivity to another JBL speaker, it doesn't support Connect Plus. They call it the True Wireless Stereo and RCA. You can connect up to 2 more Partybox speakers. It will also pair with Partybox 300 or 200, so that's a plus there. So coming to the conclusion, Partybox 1000 has a full 3-way acoustic package that provides a bigger and more epic sound compared to the Partybox 200 and 300. Now talking about the price, it's $1,000 US. I mean, like, you can literally buy 3 Partybox 200 with that money or buy 2 Partybox 300. So it's up to you guys. JBL has lined up these 3 bad boys into the market. Just don't forget that the Partybox comes with only one wristband.